Constant of proportionality to slope. This is a lesson that moves students from understanding the constant of proportionality for a proportional line to the slope of any straight line. So it starts out with a review. So a proportional line is a straight line through the origin, and they're going to choose which of these graphs shows a proportional line. So it would be this one. They're just going to type in an X. It would be a straight line through the origin. Slide 3 is a review of constant of proportionality, y over x. So it's the change in y over the change in x. So from one point on the line to another point on the line, they're going to count up 2 to the right 3. That would mean the constant of proportionality is 2/3. On the next slide, they're going to type it in. So again, they're going to count, they call it rise over run, y over x. So if they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the right 2, 6 over 2 simplifies to 3. So they're going to type in a 3. Now they might notice that the line goes through the origin here, so they really only need to count up 3 to the right 1. And then the equation for the line, y equals 3x. So that constant of proportionality would be right next to the x. I'm going to do the same thing on slide 5, find the constant of proportionality and type in the equation for the line. On slide 6, they're going to type in the entire equation. Same thing on slide 7. When they get to slide 8, they're going to see a negative slope. So anytime the line slopes down from left to right, that slope is going to be negative. So here, if they count down 1, 2, 3, 4, -5 over 2. So the constant of proportionality would be -5/2. Now on slide 9, we're going to move into slope of a line that is not proportional. So it's a straight line, but it doesn't go through the origin. So we have to look at one more thing on this line. We have to look for the y-intercept. So the equation for the line is y equals mx plus b. B is that y-intercept. So they can see the line intercepts the y-axis at 3. So b, or the y-intercept, would be 3. Now the slope, we call it slope. Now in the formula, it's m. So slope is, again, y over x. So up 2 to the right 3, and the slope is 2/3. On the next slide, they're going to find the y-intercept, find the slope, and then type in the equation for the line. Same thing on slide 11. Slide 12 will give you a negative slope. And then when they get to the final slide, they're going to be moving these terms into the correct place in the sentence frame. Now all of the completed slides are on a separate file for the teacher, and this is constant of proportionality to slope.